Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel TechNet Guide. Friends, in this video I am going to tell you how to create pricing table in Elementor. You can see this is my pricing table. We will create pricing table like this. Let's see how to create it. Let's go to dashboard of WordPress. You can see this is my WordPress dashboard. So you can see I have installed Elementor here. We have to create new page here, okay, on which we have to create pricing table. Just click on new and then click on page. Now here you can add here WordPress hosting plan. Okay. WordPress hosting plan. Now you can see edit with Elementor. Just click here to edit with Elementor. So friends, you can see we have landed to Elementor here. Okay, this is my footer and this is my home menu bar. If you want to use canvas, Elementor canvas, you can click here and select here Elementor canvas. Okay, so I'm going to select Elementor canvas here. It's completely blank. It's complete canvas of Elementor. So now first of all we will add headings here. So friends, first of all we will add section here. Okay, add section. Now we will create single column. Now in this section we will add here, click here to tools, we will add here headings. Just drag and drop here heading. Okay, now type WordPress hosting plan. Okay, now select here center and you can use as H2 as H1 like this. Okay, so style you can change color here. Color if you want to change black like this. Title if you want to change your typography, like font here you can change your font. Okay, now we have to add here column to create pricing table. Just click here and now select column here, 3 column. We want 3 column here. Okay, just now click here to add tool. So we have to add here pricing table. Now search here pricing table, price list and price table. Okay, we have to select price table here. Just select here and drag and drop here. Okay, you can see this is my, you can now you can add pricing table in this column also. Pricing table, price table. Now select here again price table like this. Okay, so now let's edit here price table. So you can see we can edit here title like basic plan, here basic plan, and this is, you can see, add here popular plan, recommended, like here you can select here premium. Okay, now add description here like single website, single website, here you can add 3 website, here you can add 10 website, like this. Okay, so if you want to add popular here only recommended, so you can delete from here ribbon, go to ribbon and so deselect here and go click here and go to ribbon and deselect here. so only this one will be popular. Okay, so we will we have to add here pricing. Okay, pricing, go to pricing. Now you can see dollar here, you can add dollar or you can add, so it's a $39 monthly. We can add monthly, you can add here yearly. Okay, yearly you can add also here yearly. Yearly plan, provide a yearly plan like $39. Okay, now you can add here 60.99. Okay, you can add pricing here 100.99 like this. Okay, now we have to add features here. Go to here and click here features. So first option, list free domain. Free domain. Here you can add features. Free domain. Here features. Free domain. Okay, so if you want to provide, and if you don't want to provide free domain for basic plan, then you can select features here and go icon, like icon, go to icon library and select here cross. Insert. Okay, free domain. In basic plan you are not going to provide free domain, then you can select cross here. Okay, now in second option, storage. Storage. Storage like 30 GB. Plan storage 100 GB. Go here and feature storage 200 GB. Okay, so we have created two features here. You can add here another feature like free SSL. You can select here if you don't want to provide free SSL. Okay, you are not going to provide free SSL, and here free SSL. SSL here SSL. Okay, in the footer, click here, you can see this option is here. Click here, we have to provide link here, footer. Okay, you can provide link like this link. Okay, you can provide this link. You can provide link here. Okay, you can select here open in new window. Okay, here like this. So you can see we have created here pricing table, and we have now if you want to change your font, change your colors, like that. So go to style here and select background color. You can select background color like this. Okay, you can select background color like this, what we want to use background color. Okay, like this. You can increase or decrease padding here like this. Okay, like this. Okay, color, title color. If you want to choose title color here, you can see you can change title color. Okay, pricing. If you want to add pricing size, you can add or decrease your pricing size, fractional part, and size here like this. Okay, symbol, features. You want to increase your width like this. Okay, divider. If you want to divider, it's with increase width of divider like this. You can. Okay, footer. If you want to change footer color, you can change from here like this. Okay, like this. Okay, click on advanced. From advanced, you can select your layout, motion effect like this, transformation. Okay, border, background. You want to change background color like this. Okay, I'm not going to change. Okay, so we have done. Now friends, you can click on publish. Okay, have a look. Click on have a look. So friends, you can see we have created successfully. So if you want to click here, just click here. So it will land to your another page. Okay, you can see. So I am selected for new window. If you want to click here, then it will land to new window. Okay. So friends, in this video we have seen how to create pricing table in WordPress using Elementor. So thanks for watching this video. Have a nice day.